Prepare yourself for an exciting online shopping experience where I introduce an incredible lineup of gadgets that are so impressive. They will leave you feeling amazed and eager to get your hands on them. These gadgets are so appealing that they might even make you feel weak in the knees with excitement. Get ready for an unforgettable shopping journey filled with awe-inspiring technological wonders. During the scorching summer days, when the heat becomes unbearable, many of us find ourselves desperately seeking ways to stay cool. Fortunately, someone came up with an ingenious solution: the Sparkle Tornado. This innovative gadget, resembling a silicone belt, serves a dual purpose as a personal air conditioner, ensuring a refreshing experience wherever you may be. Equipped with 5 strategically positioned fans that direct their airflow upwards, the Sparkle Tornado creates a delightful cooling sensation that embraces your entire body. To cater to individual preferences, it offers 3 adjustable cooling levels. For uninterrupted operation throughout the day, simply attach a power bank to the belt, and you're good to go. Each year, devastating fires claim the lives of thousands and cause billions of dollars in damages, exacerbated by the effects of climate change and the subsequent increase in wildfires. In order to safeguard homes and communities from these outdoor threats, there is a pressing need for advanced tools. Addressing this critical issue, Torch Company has developed solar sensors specifically designed for early wildfire detection, presenting a crucial solution to combat this escalating danger. These innovative sensors are meticulously engineered to detect outdoor fires across vast expanses, covering an impressive area of up to 48,400 square yards. Mounted on a tree spike, Torch's device enables timely detection, offering the opportunity to intervene before fires intensify. Equipped with onboard sensors capable of detecting heat, light, and smoke, the system promptly sends alerts to connected devices once specific thresholds are reached. With this invaluable early warning, individuals now have the precious time needed to contact emergency services and take preventative measures to avert disaster. Whether you want to safeguard your possessions or simply enhance your sense of security, Mimiq Go is the solution. Stay connected and enjoy on-the-go security with Mimiq Go. When it detects movement or presence, it activates a powerful 120 decibel alarm that is exceptionally loud. Moreover, you'll receive real-time notifications directly to your phone, allowing you to monitor your home and valuables from anywhere. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this device features a 3-month rechargeable battery, eliminating concerns about running out of power. Tired of dealing with frustratingly short charging cables? Say goodbye to those moments by trying out this cable set. With this set, you can now choose the perfect cable length for any situation. Mix and match various cables to create your desired fit, or even play with them as fidget toys. Need a short 4-inch cord for on-the-go charging? No problem. Want a longer cord for added flexibility? You have 2 options available. This cable set offers lightning-fast 240 watts of power, ensuring your devices stay charged up in a flash. With both USB-C and Lightning connectivity options included in one set, it is compatible with a wide range of devices. Say goodbye to bulky and inflexible traditional power strips that fail to meet the demands of modern devices. Introducing CuBLOCK, the game changer in power strip design. Its modular design allows you to customize the power strip according to your specific needs. With 90-degree adjustable plugs, CuBLOCK effortlessly accommodates bulky adapters, ensuring a neat and organized workspace. The lock mechanism securely holds the modules in place with a remarkable 20 pounds of force, preventing accidental detachment. Plus, the safety switch provides protection against power surges. Enhancing its versatility, CuBLOCK includes accessory plugs such as a 45-watt USB charger, sensor lamps, and Bluetooth speakers. Finally, you can free your desktop from cable clutter and enjoy a streamlined and efficient setup. And that concludes our list of the coolest gadgets currently available on Amazon in 2023. We carefully put these gadgets to the test and examined their usefulness. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support.